Two thieves along with a local thief leader was arrested by the police of Kalmachora police station at around 4 a.m. on Wednesday morning. The police was able to grab the thieves with the help of villagers in Ratandula area of Kalsimura village panchayat under Kalmachora police station. It is known that Swapan Saha of Ratandola area of Kalsimura village panchayat is a fruit trader and ferry seller by profession. On Wednesday morning at 4 a.m. in the morning, when Swapan Saha went to his rented house for taking out the fruits for selling, he found the door of the house broken. Swapan Das, the tenant owner, suspected a theft after seeing a gas stove, a large silver pot, a pan on the road outside the house. As soon as he entered the house, two thieves named Mohammad Sohail and Hilal Mia attacked Swapan Das. The thief and the owner, Swapan Das, had a long tussle. When Swapan Das tried to scream, the two thieves tried to throw him out of the house by pressing his nose to his mouth and trying to throw him into the pit of the toilet next to him. In the meantime, when Swapan Das kept shouting, the two thieves ran away, leaving Swapan Das. Immediately, the villagers rushed to the rented house of Swapan Das after getting the news of this incident. Then, according to Swapan Das, the villagers began to call for the arrest of the thief. The police of Kalmachora police station were informed. The police immediately rushed to the spot after receiving the information. With the help of villagers, the police arrested Mohammad Sohail and Hilal Mia from the house of local Dilip Das. In this incident, fruit trader Swapan Saha filed a case against two Bangladeshi thieves along with local thief leader Dilip Das at Kalmachora police station, and more than 100 women of the area gave a representative deputation to OC Bishnupda Bhaumik, hoping for a proper trial against the three arrested thieves. OC Bishnupad Bhaumik assured that all the demands of the women would be met with appropriate justice. In the statement of these two thieves, it is known that Mohammad Sohail's 20 father's name is Jahangir Ahmed. Home in South Village area under Buricom Thana of Kamila district, Bangladesh. Other Hilal Mia, 23, father's name is Kabir Ahmed. The house is in Shimankacha Baidya Para area of Kamila district of Bangladesh. These two Bangladeshi thieves said in police interrogation that Dilip Das brought them from Bangladesh and they work here under his supervision. Then the police also arrested the leader of the thief gang, Dilip Das, and brought him to the police station. Some piped sanitary material was recovered from them. It is known that 2 days back things were stolen from the sanitary shop of a trader named Motleb Hussain. Police speculated that the sanitary things found may be from Motleb's shop. The police said that they are investigating the matter. On Wednesday night, apart from Swapan Saha, a group of thieves raided 3 other places. They broke the door of the house of Sunil Das of Kalsimura village panchayat and took away some household items. Then shutter of a merchant Dulal's shop in Boksangar Bazar were tried to break. Unable to break the shutter, they went to Boksangar 12th Standard School. It is reported that the main gate of the 12th Standard School in Boksangar was broken open and the doors of the classrooms were broken and various important items including ceiling fans were taken away. A few days ago, there were cases of cow theft in various villages of Boksangar area. All these thefts were causing tension in the area. However, regarding the arrest of 3 thieves including Sardar in Wednesday's theft, Kalmachora police station OC Bishnupda Bhaumik said that theft is not only happening in Boksangar, but theft is increasing in different parts of the state recently. Boksangar is no exception. In this regard, with the cooperation of various village panchayats, we will prepare a list of all the dirty thieves in the area and take strict action. Today, with the help of the villagers, we were able to arrest 2 Bangladeshi thieves, including the thief's leader, said OC. OC Bishnupad Bhaumik expressed his opinion that if he get the cooperation of the people of the area, we will be able to achieve greater success in the coming days.
এই লক্ষ লক্ষ টাকা জায়গা কিনছে, ওই আগরতলা জায়গা কিনছে, আর কিনছে কোটি কোটি টাকা মালিক হয়ে গেছে অনকা।
কিভাবে হলো?
এই ভাঙাচোরা মাইসে চুরি করে আনে, হায়ার করে করে লোক আইন না,
প্রত্যেকে আনে হায়ারিং করে?
বাংলাদেশ থেকে আনে। ওই তো আজকে তো সত্যিকারই প্রমাণ পাইলাম, রাতে ধরা পড়লো।
দুজনে কি বাংলাদেশি?
হ্যাঁ, দুজন বাংলাদেশি।
জীবনের কোনো বৈধ কাগজপত্র আছে ভারতে?
আর আমার
না দিলীপের?
আমি ঠিক করতে পারলাম না, আপনারা ইনকোয়ারি করে দেখেন, সত্যিকারী তদন্ত করে দেখেন।
আপনার নাম কি?
আমার নাম স্বপন শাহ।
আমরা শুনতে পেয়েছি যে বস্কনগর স্কুলেরও দরজা জানালা ভেঙে ফেলেছে, সম্ভবত ওরাই করেছিল। আর এখনো পর্যন্ত আরেকটা ঘটনা শোনা গেছে, রাত্রেবেলা আরেকজনের বাড়িতে এরকম ঘটনা ঘটেছে বলে আমরা জানতে পেরেছি, কিন্তু এখনো কোনো লিখিত অভিযোগ আসেনি।
এই ব্যাপারে আগামী দিনে কি পদক্ষেপ নেবেন?
আমরা কঠোর পদক্ষেপ নেব এবং আমাদের যেই মোবাইলগুলি আছে, আমরা দুটি ব্যাগ মোবাইল এবং একটি গাড়িতে মোবাইল থাকে, প্লাস 3-4 জায়গাতে ফিক্সড টিকিট থাকে, সেটারও আমরা আরও বাড়ানো যায় কিনা চেষ্টা করছি। এবং গ্রামের লোকেদের সঙ্গে আমরা ইতিমধ্যেই আলোচনা করে বিহার পার্টি কলসিমোড়াতে চালু হয়েছে। ভিলেজের যেই লোকেরা আছে ওরা নিজেরাই পাহারাদারির ব্যবস্থা করেছে এবং প্রয়োজনে আমরা এরকম আরও দল গঠন করে পাড়ায় পাড়ায় পাহারার ব্যবস্থা করি।
ব্যবসা করে দিই,
হ্যাঁ,
ব্যবসা করে।
তোমার বাড়ি কোন জায়গায়?
আমার বাংলাদেশ।
কোন জায়গায়? হ্যাঁ, এখন কি যাইছো? চুরি করছো কে? হ্যাঁ।
This is Moshraf Hussein's report for Borok Post from Boksnagar.